Welcome to the Apple Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is November 17th, 2024, and we have a lot to cover about Apple's latest moves in the tech world. Links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Apple is making waves in the creative software market with some major updates and strategic acquisitions. Recently, they launched Final Cut on the iPad and rolled out the first update to Final Cut Pro in 13 years. This move is seen as a direct challenge to Adobe, which has been facing criticism over its subscription model and performance issues. Historically, Apple lost ground to Adobe Premiere after a controversial update to Final Cut Pro Hex. But now, with Adobe's struggles, Apple is poised to regain its market share. The new Final Cut Pro 11 has been well received, offering features that compete with DaVinci Resolve and Premiere Pro. Thanks to Apple's powerful M-series chips, the software delivers enhanced performance. Apple's control over both hardware and software gives it a unique advantage in the video editing space. Additionally, Apple's acquisition of Pixelmator and plans to acquire Photomator indicate a strong push into the photography software market, potentially reshaping the creative software landscape. In other news, Apple has removed another app from Radio Free Europe Radio Liberty at the request of Russia's media regulator, Roskomnadzor. The app for RFER's Russian service, which includes content from regional projects like Siberia, Taunt Realities, and North Realities, was taken down. This follows previous removals of apps for RFERL's Kyrgyz service and Current Time. Roskomnadzor claims the app contained materials from an organization deemed undesirable in Russia. Despite these removals, the app remains accessible in other countries. Apple has also removed or hidden several Russian-language podcasts produced by independent journalists, as the Russian government intensifies its control over online content. Apple executives Tim Millett and Tom Boga recently shed light on the company's unique chip philosophy. They emphasized that Apple is not a merchant silicon company, but designs its chips specifically for its products, resulting in superior performance and efficiency. The launch of the M4 Pro and M4 Max processors highlights Apple's commitment to innovation, boasting the fastest CPU core and best single-threaded performance in the industry. Millett explained that Apple's approach allows them to utilize cutting-edge technology, such as the latest 3-nanometer process, which is not easily accessible to merchant silicon companies. The collaboration between chip designers and product teams is crucial to Apple's success, enabling them to create highly optimized systems on chip that enhance user experience. Boga noted that Apple consistently focuses on power efficiency, ensuring devices like the MacBook Pro deliver high performance without compromising battery life. The M4 Max and M4 Pro differ mainly in memory bandwidth, with the M4 Max tailored for more demanding applications. Millett also discussed Apple's foresight in integrating AI capabilities into its chips, starting with the Neural Engine in 2017, positioning Apple well for the growing importance of AI in technology. That's all for today's episode of the Apple Daily News. We hope you found these insights into Apple's latest endeavors informative. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us again tomorrow for more updates from the world of Apple.